Hey everyone! If you've been looking for a reliable hosting or coupon code, you've come to the right video. In this video, I'm going to give you a coupon code that will save you an extra 20%. The coupon codes are connected to my link, so make sure you click the link in the description before applying. You'll see different codes there, all highly discounted. If you don't have time, just go and click the link. Otherwise, you can see how to apply it. When you click the link, you'll come to this page and click Claim Deal. While the plans may vary, my coupon code is still going to work in every currency, no matter which country you're from. For a demo, I'll show you with the business plan. I'll click Choose Plan. After some loading, you can check out the price. I'll click I have a coupon code and enter my coupon code right here. After entering the coupon code, you will have to click on the Apply button, and you can see that I have saved like $40. These are amazing coupon codes that you can use right now, and they also work for 24 and 12 months. So what are you waiting for? Go check the link in the description.